So, change to millimeter or vice versa. So, minove lang natin yung decimal point 1 places to the right. So, kung 20.17 yun, magiging 201.117. Yung 20 magiging, yung 20 magiging 200, yung 20 magiging 201. 20 magiging 200. So, minove lang natin ng isang decimal place at ito yung mga nakuha natin example. So, yung una, i-multiply mo, di ba? Yung pangalawa, i-divide mo naman. So, kailangan kabisado mo lang yung conversion unit. Very basic. Very basic. Kung hindi mo kabisado, yung mga conversion unit, mahihirapan ka rin gamitin yung factor label analysis na ginagamit ko. Kailangan meron ka rin, alam mo yung operation, pero hindi mo alam yung conversion factor. So, very basic yan. Sa lahat ng bagay, always master yung basic nun. It is very common in engineering and mathematics. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yan. Engineering, mathematics, and science. So, yun yung ating nakukuhang bago. So, yun lang po.